We will move on to the next session. We're going to be covering the automatic turning of PID-controlled vehicle heading angle using genetic algorithm. This will be presented by Mr. Murshid Ansari. He has started his academic journey with a solid engineering foundation by graduating from Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, the University of Technology in 2017, with a bachelor degrees in mechanical engineering. His BTech project was on Flywheel as an energy storage system, where he worked on improving to its working performance. This undergraduate experience stimulated his curiosity and helped him feel ready to take on more intellectual challenges. After this, in 2020, he did a master's degree in applied mechanics at the Indian Institute of Engineering Science and Technology, Shibpur. During his master's, he worked on vibration isolation through the Stewart platform, a kind of parallel manipulator, where he solved vibration as an external disturbance, which is suppressed by designing the actuator controlled in MATLAB and Simulink environment. He is currently enrolled in IIT Dhanbad to pursue a doctorate in mechanical engineering. At present, he is working on the topic of autonomous navigation of wheeled mobile robots, which includes four-wheeled independent steering and four-wheeled independent drive. I request you to please welcome him to the stage.
I'm sure this will be a very heavy session. So those of you who have forgotten differentiation integration, please review once again.
Good afternoon, everyone. So already introduction is done. So I'll begin with my, here's the outline of my talk. So I will begin with my introduction to autonomous vehicles and motivation for this work, followed by literature review, vehicles dynamics, then the design of, then the controller design, simulation results, and finally the conclusions. So our work basically focus on design of heading control, which is the key part of the path tracking control in autonomous ground vehicles. So we design a PID control, which is tuned by genetic algorithm, and we model the system in MATLAB and Simulink, and its performance is verified through the simulation. So about autonomous vehicles, basically autonomous vehicle is a vehicle that can guide itself with minimal human intervention. To build this, several components are required. Firstly, the vehicle model, which consider the controller design based on geometric model, kinematic models, and dynamic models. Then it comes localization to know about the position and where is the robot or the vehicles and where to go. This is done by the localization. Then perception to know about the environment. Then path planning and lastly path tracking. Basically, our work focus on path tracking, path tracking in lateral control, so that the vehicle follow the path. So according to the Society of Automotive Engineers, there are 6 levels of automations. The level 0, which is no automation, everything is controlled by the driver itself. Then level 1, in the level 1, either the speed or the steering is controlled by the vehicles, and rest is done by the drivers. Then level 2, in the level 2, partial driving automation, in which both the steering and the speed of the vehicle is controlled by a vehicle itself, but the traffic supervision is required in this. Then level 3, conditional driving. The conditional driving is basically some uncertain situation comes, then only the driver needs to take the action. Level 4 and 5 is fully automation, in which no driver is required. So our work relates in between level 2 to 3, in which the vehicles follow the predefined path without the human input. So several foundational projects have shaped the autonomous ground vehicles control. For example, in the year 2004, the U.S. government agencies called DARPA, Defense Advanced Research Project Agencies, who made a race course in which a vehicles should achieve 230-kilometer distance within 10 hours. In that race course, no vehicles achieved the target. Next year, same race course was held. Only few vehicles achieved the target, in which Stanley won the race course. He designed the controllers based on geometric, geometric-based controller, which include only the length of the vehicles and the road radius of curvature of the road. Then again, 2007, DARPA Urban Grand Challenge was held, in which Boss won the race course. He advances the control strategies. He used the technique, predictive control technique. Basically, all these controllers are based on the geometric-based controllers. We design our controllers, including the kinematics and dynamics of the vehicles. So we model our controllers based on the bicycle model, vehicles bicycle model. So in this, the front two wheel is merged to a single front wheel, and rear two wheels is merged to a single rear wheel, so that to make our controllers easier. The graph in the figure, you can see in the figure 6, it is a negative closed loop feedback control system, in which PID controller is reducing the heading error, vehicle's heading error dynamically. We use the realistic vehicles parameters and ran the simulation in MATLAB and Simulink. So this allowed us to test the different controller strategy, in which we can test different control strategies and get the realistic results. This is the model of my simulations which I have done. The figure 7 shows the simulation which is done in Simulink, which combined the PID controllers and the vehicle's plant model, reference vehicle heading angle. The GA is operating in background and calculating the PID gain value, so that the heading error will be minimum. So the figure 8 shows our initial to final path, in which the path that should be vehicle followed. So since our controllers follow the way track points, so we break the continuous path into a discrete path, discrete points, and then form a piecewise linear path, which making our controller easier to follow step by step to reach the end position. We have designed the heading angle controllers. So according to the path planner, the control input will given, and the vehicle follow that. So we ran the simulation, and we ran the simulation and found the optimized gain value of the P and D terms, where the heading error is minimum. The graph in the figure 11 and 12 shows that you can see the graph in the figure and 11 shows the controller stability, the response, the minimal of overshoot, and the settling time is around 3 seconds. So finally, the conclusion. GA-tuned PID controllers provide us the robust solution in tuning PID controllers for designing a heading angle of the autonomous vehicles. And simulation result also shows that the setting time is around 3 seconds and overshoot is very less, and there is no steady state error. When the conventional tuning methods such as Ziegler-Nichols and Cohen-Q method fails, so the trial and error or manual method takes so much time in tuning the PID control, PID gain parameters. This scenario, we can use the genetic algorithm to minimize the heading error and get robust solutions. Our future work is to this simulation result validated on the hardware, so that and in considering the external disturbances. So this is the references. Thank you.
Do we have any questions?
The references. Any questions? Either everything was understood or everything was tangent. Thank you very much.
Yes,
Mr.
thank you,
Morshan.
Mr. Ansari.
Can we have a memento, please? Ravi.